everybody, this is Igor Lumertz here at Pch Dent Repair out of San Diego, California. And in this short video, I want to show you this dent repair that I had the other day. And I want to show you a little bit of what's going on and how I got it fixed using Paintless dent removal. This is a 2019 Nissan Altima. You can see the sharp dent right on the body line, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. You can see the crown right on top of it. You can see the metal sticking out. That's the crown right there. The body line is completely smashed in, and there's a couple little scratches, and the customer chose to touch it up after we are done instead of repainting the whole panel. That's the strong arm from Get a Grip, a great tool holding my heat gun in place. I'm warming up the panel so I can start working on it. You can see the temperature right there. This is the process of tapping down the crowns. You can see the little texture right there from working on it. This tool that I'm using right here, it's the fender tool from Ultra Dent Tools. Great leverage, great control to push the body line back to its original shape. Right here I'm finishing up, changing the angle of the light, and little more cleaning up to do right here, and this is the finished product. All paintless dent removal, back to its original shape, original painting. We are a completely mobile company. We can come to your home, to your office, and we can do the same type of work, all paintless dent removal. And this is before. You can see here again how bad it was, and this is after. Everything back to its original shape. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. And thanks for watching.